I don't know, maybe that's why they said the catalytic converter was bad. I don't know. So far I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna raise this up real quick so that I can see where that wire goes. Oh guys, I found out where our wire goes. That connected. That's a pretty good oil leak. But I'm gonna take it outside and then we'll see tomorrow if it works okay. If it misfires. If it doesn't misfire tomorrow morning, then I'd say we probably fixed it. Okay guys, let's set this down. Just put it in gear, put it in reverse. See if we get a misfire.